Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm going to prepare a meatloaf, a delicious meatloaf. So let's get to it. So this is going to be like a real quick dump and go. We added the hamburger meat to the bowl. I'm going to add my breadcrumbs. I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to add my 2 eggs. We're going to add the ketchup, and we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Now we're just going to give this all a good mix. We got to get in there and get our hands dirty, y'all. Like our big mamas used to do. Our mothers used to get in that kitchen and get their hands dirty to prepare us a great meal on a Sunday. Hey guys, like always, the ingredients to this recipe is always going to be in the description box. Okay, let me go change my gloves real quick so I can start adding the seasonings. Let's start adding these seasonings. So here I have some Cajun seasoning, some garlic and onion powder, and some paprika. So spread that over there like that. Okay, next I have some oregano, some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Guys, when I tell you this is just like a dump and go, a dump and mix, it really is a dump and mix. And then it goes straight to the pan, straight to the oven. Simple. Let's add in some parsley. Once again, let's go in with the mix. All right, once again, I'm gonna go change my gloves and we're gonna put it in a pan and throw it in the oven that I have preheated at 350 degrees. Okay, so now it's time to add our meatloaf to the pan. All we gotta do is just dump it in there. Dump, guys, dump, just dump it in there. Like I said, that's a dump and go. Now we just gotta form it up. Now, you know, usually I'll put like a little towel up under this pan to keep it from moving around. But you know what? I forgot. So, you know, I'm just gonna have to work with it while it's moving around. So like I said, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the oven for about maybe 35 minutes to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Then after that, guys, we're gonna be ready to eat. All right, guys, so I know that my meatloaf is almost finished cooking. So right now I'm gonna start putting together my glaze. So I'm gonna add some ketchup in here, some soy sauce. Yes, some soy sauce, some brown sugar. We're just gonna get that a mix. And like I said, guys, the ingredients to this is in the description box. So don't be like, oh, he went too fast. What is he doing? No, it's in the description box. I'm gonna make sure that you guys have the right tools and information to do the job. Okay, guys, so all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spread it over the meatloaf. And you don't have to be all delicate with it. Just spread that stuff over this meatloaf and get it on there. We trying to eat. We ain't got time to be all delicate with it. Okay, so let's spread it on there. Okay, spread that sauce on that meatloaf. Just like that. Spread that sauce on that meatloaf. People hungry. Just like that. Look at that, guys. It's looking delicious. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in the oven and let it finish cooking. Okay, guys, the meatloaf is finished cooking. I let it rest for about 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut into it. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, so as you've seen in that clip, this meatloaf is looking delicious. Like I always say, it's time to dig in and give it a test. So I'm just give it a little bit. And I'm not even gonna just like really plate it up because yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, I'm ready to eat. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, got some. Woo. When I tell you the flavors are hitting on all 10, I don't be saying that stuff just to say it. Like if I make a recipe and I know that it's not good, I'm not gonna say that it's hitting on all 10s. I'm not gonna direct you in that direction to make some BS food. This meatloaf is hitting on all 10s. The glaze that you see me made earlier is phenomenal. The meatloaf, the flavors that we put in it is great. Um, so this is also a perfect Sunday dinner, any day dinner. It's great comfort food. As you've seen, it's like a dump and go. So you've seen I dumped everything in the bowl, mixed it up, threw it in the oven, and this is the results. So guys, if you love the food vibe that I did today, please share it. Let your friends know about it. Like, subscribe to the channel if you like. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.